The Daniel Carter Beard Bridge caught on fire November 1st, and the southbound lanes from Ohio into Kentucky have been shut down ever since. Friday, crews will start cutting out the concrete deck on top and then cutting the damaged steel below, a process that could take at least 2 weeks. The Ohio Department of Transportation is heading up the project because the fire happened in Cincinnati. Agency spokesperson Kathleen Fuller says it's a much more complicated process than just demolishing an entire bridge.
And this isn't something that takes place in one day because, a lot of the behind the scenes work in that demo plan was, how to position the equipment, where to put the equipment, because, the equipment itself to take off the deck, to remove the concrete, is very heavy.
ODOT still has not provided a final cost estimate or a timeline for the project, but say they are close, especially since the agency could finalize an emergency vendor to make the replacement steel beams as soon as next week. Leaders in Ohio asked for a federal state of emergency to be declared so federal emergency management dollars may be used to recoup the final costs. All told, the fire warped and damaged 550 feet worth of steel, making up 7 sections along 4 rows of girders. University of Cincinnati civil engineering professor Jean Andrea Rosati says one of his school's graduates oversaw the process of installing the safety supports so demolition can begin.
So it's extremely delicate, even more so when you're just removing a portion of the structure and not planning on taking down the entire structure. And so that's why there was the need for extensive shoring for the bridge that has happened over the last few weeks.
Thanks for checking out Local 12's YouTube channel. Click the links and hit subscribe so you can be notified anytime we post new stories.